There's got to be a better way. There's got to be like some little clip or something.
Yeah, fucking you tell now.
Fuck me!
You're about to break it.
Yeah, it's mad if you just snapped it now, like it's wrecked anyway.
Yeah, I know.
You're gonna fucking eat it.
Wait,
You
it's
just-
like, it's a hole in this one.
It's meant to be a hole.
Wait, there's no hole.
Yeah, there is. There's one here.
Is there?
Yeah. Spin them, look. I think you spin them.
Obviously they don't spin off. Do they?
I think they do.
Try it.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I ain't doing shit, I just spin around. Yo! Got fucking spinners on these
I don't
bits.
think that's loosening it, it's I think that's just clips. Clips.
Gotta get your hands in there. You filthy whore.
If I can get like 3 fingers in there, I'll be able to Man, I'm experienced. Man.
Oh, there you go.
Let me finger it a bit
Go
more.
on.
Finger it, come on.
But you fucking push it down.
Yeah, wait a sec.
That's not
Fully good.
Yeah, that's just not a socket. You got it. That's fucking good. And come get your fingers in there. Hey!
And then bang it, and then you have to turn it to.
What do you mean?
You have to act like you're tightening it.
What, that?
Yeah, and it'll go up.
Yeah, but
Fucking go. It was fucking alright by I just don't do it.
this is high enough. Walk it around the side.
You don't need it.
I do.
Right, so you're better off pulling when you're undo, so you get more power when you pull.
Alright, done.
What was that? You get more power when you...
You get more power when you pull. So have it facing. No. Face it. Yeah, but
You did bolts, you'd sometimes.
hopefully the wheels all balanced. Drum brakes.
Yeah, he's got
fucking drum brakes.
He's got fucking drum.
Yokohama toes.
Yokohama toes.
I have the Michelin man.
The Michelin man.
I don't even know what I have actually. Oh, well, Yokohamas, I do. Wait, I actually do.
Too shy.
Got spacer, yeah.
Here's a fucking spacer. I was thinking.
That's spacer.
Yeah, we're gonna have to hammer that out.
How do you hammer out a spacer?
15 millimeters, isn't it? That's like,
mil?
nah, that's like 15.
No, that ain't 15 mil.
That's it.
That's 12 mil.
Oh, that's mad, you can sell that.
Me.
Ah, my eye!
Fuck off.
You jumped a mile.
Bitch.
Spacer on a spacer.
Yeah,
There you go.
Fuck me, so does look how much came in.
Let's see the space. Can't sell one space.
Yeah, you can.
That's gonna buy a single
Someone's gonna stand like one wheel.
That's 12 mil.
Two wheels. See you in like an hour or so.
Yeah, it's in an hour.
Show man.
Bye, buddy.
That's my joke. You can make that. It's my joke.
This is gonna go right everywhere. That ain't good.
Oh, there goes the tires. That's the lead. I'm not gonna lie, for recording, you might get told off.
It's the phones that are the problem.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Have you done it before?
I mean, there's only one way to find out. Oh, let me go. Oh, you. Oh, smug bug. Jesus Christ.
They look fat in the daylight.
Pilot spot, they're really sticky as well. They're like,
Yeah.
let's go.
See, this is where you just need friends.
Jesus Christ, did man just lose his life? Did man just lose his life?
Do you want someone else to list it on for you?
You actually can't pick it up.
Are you serious?
I can pick it up.
You actually can!
Oh, let's go the other way.
I think I can pick it up.
Oh, you can't do it. You can't do it like that.
I can do it now, Dan.
I'm not supposed to. Want me to do it?
Yeah,
Really?
At least he's honest, at least he's like, cut him some slack, at least he's honest.
No, I can't. Alright,
First stage is admitting it.
Max, can you? Just got in the middle.
Is that a V in the side of your head? Literally, just hold your knee in front of it, but don't put any pressure on.
this.
I'm
Don't
taking my
break
shoes
your knee
off.
doing it, man.
Are you taking your shoes off?
He's taking his shoes off. Fuck off!
Why is he your shoes off?
Mate, take Yeezys off. Expensive shoes.
I ain't doing it with it.
So am I, I don't give a fuck. I didn't buy them.
Yeah, but yours aren't expensive. These are like 300 quid.
You'll have a toes.
Yeah, well, I can pretend mine were.
Anna walks in the room in a fresh trim.
Give me the torch, you can't see the hole.
That's what she said.
You do the bolts up, we're allowed to be here all night.
It's like this.
No, it's in your feet.
Yeah, because you need to do up the bolts, you stupid cunt.
Do it up!
Suck your mother.
Well, you got some B-Tech lift.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Hello, man.
Hello.
I own BMW. My bum fine.
Is your bum fine? Your bum is fine.
Ah, she hurt. He fucking hit my ass. Here.
Got it.
Jay, have you got anything in your car from Wish?
You taking a fucking pen?
Your lights are from Wish.
Fuck off,
Your
man.
side lights are. I swear.
You suck a dick, man. The fuck?
Wish. Here in my garage with my new Lamborghini. Knowledge. What, you gay?
Your mum's a dickhead.
Set the back.
So what,